guys, my name is Dylan. My YouTube channel is DRG Bros, and today we are going to be doing the Sine Sum Formula. So last week we did the cosine formula. This week we're going to do the sine. So just a quick review. If we draw a right triangle, and this length is theta. This is the hypotenuse. Okay? So the opposite, so the hypotenuse times the sine of theta equals the opposite, and the hypotenuse times the cosine of theta is the adjacent. So now that we just quickly reviewed that, we're going to get into the main lesson. So, what we can do is we can draw a long line, okay? And then we can make another line going like that. And so we make a right angle. Okay. And then we're gonna draw a line going along like that. And then we can draw a line like that. Okay? So what you can do now is we can label some stuff. So this is, just draw a big one here. Okay, this is angle theta 1. This is angle theta 2. Okay? And so this length right here is the cosine of theta 1. Okay? And so now what we can do is we can label some points. So this is point O. This is point B. This is point A. Okay? Oh, I'm sorry. This is not A. This is F, and this is A right here. Sorry, that was my mistake. And so what you can do now is you can draw a line going straight down from here, and label this point E, and label this point D. Okay? So right here you can draw a short little line that goes from right here just along, okay? Just along it. So you have that. So this length right here is the sine of theta 1. Okay? So this angle is theta 2. And so if we can draw an arrow. And so this is the sine of theta 1 times the cosine of theta 2. Okay? And then we can do one more quick thing. We can expand these lines to go this way. And so, this length is the sine of theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay? And so this is the cosine of theta 1 times sine of theta 1 of theta 2. Okay? So now we're going to move into the problems. So really quick, I'm just going to say, let me get to the actual point. So the sine of theta 1 plus theta 2 equals BD. So the sine of theta 1 plus theta 2 equals the length BD. So this length right here. And so BD equals BE plus ED. So BD equals BE plus ED. And so this can be further put down to equal BE plus AF. Okay? And so our main formula is the sine of theta 1 plus theta 2 equals the sine of theta 1 times the cosine of 2 plus the cosine of 1, the cosine of theta 1 times the sine of theta 2. So this is key. I know that my box isn't that good, but this is really important. So now we're just going to do a quick application. So, the sine of 75 is equal to the sine of 45 plus 30. So that equals the sine of 45 times the cosine of 30 plus the cosine of 45 times the sine of 30. So this equals Sine of 45 is 1 over the square root of 2. Times the cosine of 30 is the square root of 3 over 2. Plus, the cosine of 45 is 1 over the square root of 2. Times the sine of 30, which is 1/2. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.